We have all of our materials in front of us and we're ready to start. Right now we're going to be using our plastic hoopla hoop. I like using these when preparing my hoops and when embroidering because they have this lip on them that holds your fabric in very tight. When your fabric has to go around a corner rather than just being straight in the hoop, there's more tension created so that your fabric is less likely to pull. Next, we're going to be cutting our fabric to fit inside of our embroidery hoop. Just a reminder that we're going to be using the quilting cotton for this project. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to unfold our fabric and find an edge. You want to make sure that you're finding the edge of your fabric. Place your hoop over top and make an area that has at least 1.5 to 2 inches of overhang so that when we frame our piece, we have enough fabric to do so. To make things easy, I'm going to be cutting in a square around the hoop. This doesn't have to be perfect, as we'll be cutting away a lot of this fabric after we finish our piece. Now that we have our fabric cut, we're ready to frame it within our hoop. What we're going to want to do is make sure that we have the inner part of our hoop with the lip facing up. Now that we have our fabric over our outer hoop, we're ready to grab our outer ring and place it over top. You want to adjust the screw so that it fits over the inner hoop. Tighten the screw a little bit so that your fabric is holding within the hoop, but it's not so tight that you're not able to move the fabric within. I like to flip it to the other side now and just go around using a mild amount of tension to pull the fabric taut within the hoop. Keep pulling until you think that it's ready. You want to make sure that you're not warping the fabric at all. Tighten the outer hoop all the way so that it's hard or impossible to move the fabric within it. Your fabric's tight enough when you hit it and it bounces right back. As a final check, you're going to want to hold your hoop up to the light to make sure that your weave is straight. You can see through the fabric if you hold it up to a light source, which makes it a lot easier.